Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Now let's move forward. In this video, we start our new exercise 7.2. Okay, so let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. Here, find the cube root of each of the following number by prime factorization method. Okay, here we need to find the cube root of the numbers by using prime factorization method. Now, prime factorization method we already learned in chapter number 6. In that, first of all, we need to do the prime factorization. After that, we need to make the pair of two numbers, right, in square root. Here we need to find the cube root. So here we need to make the pair of three numbers. Okay. First of all, we need to apply the prime factorization. After that, we need to make the pair of three numbers. From that, we can find the cube root. Okay. And first of all, for prime factorization method, you need to recall all the divisibility test of prime numbers. Okay, that we already learned in chapter number 6. Now here our first question is 64. This is very easy question for 64 because for 64 we know that we can divide with 2 and otherwise this is even number, so definitely we can divide with 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, so 32 into 2 64. Now again here we have even number, so again we can divide with 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2, 1 remainder, so it becomes 12, so 2 6s are 12. Now for 16, we know that 2 8s are 16, then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and finally 2 1s are 2. Okay? So now here cube root of 64. First of all, write down all the factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. Now what we need to do for finding out the square root? We need to make the pair of three numbers. Right? Here we need to make the pair of three numbers. So here first pair and second pair. So from one pair we need to take one number. So from first pair 2 and from second pair 2. So 2 2s are 4. So cube root of 64 is equals to 4. And in cube root here we need to write 3. It shows cube root. Okay. If nothing is written then it is square root. 3 is written then it is cube root. Okay. So from each pair we need to take one number. So from first pair 2 and from second pair 2. So 2 2s are 4. Cube root of 64 is 4. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2. 5 1 2. Now here unit digit is 2, that means this is even number, so even number is there, so we can divide with 2, right? Now for 5, 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder, it becomes 11. 1 1 11, so 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10, again 1 remainder, it becomes 12. So 2 6s are 12. Now again here we have even number, so we can divide with 2. 2 1s are 2, 4 5, 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder, it becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. Again here we have even number, so we can take 2. Here we have 12, so 2 6s are 12, and for 8 2 4s are 8. Now here we have 64, so here even we solve for the 64. Now same process we need to follow it. Okay, so just copy paste here. First of all 2, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Okay, now cube root of 5 and 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 times. Okay. Now we need to make the pair of 3 numbers. Okay, so here first pair, second pair and third pair. So from each pair we need to take one number. So from first pair 2, from second pair 1 2, and from third pair 1 time 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So cube root of 5 and 2 is 8. Okay. Now same process we need to follow in all the equations. Okay. Now next is question number 3. 1 0 6 4 8. 1 0 6 4 8. Now here we have even number 8. So we can divide with 2, right? 2 5s are 10. Now for 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 2 4s are 8. Again here we have even number. So again we can take 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder, it becomes 13. 2 6 are 12. 13 minus 12 1. Again 1 remainder, it becomes 12. 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now again here we have even number. So again we can take 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. Now we have 1 3 3 1. So this is not even number, right? So we cannot divide with 2. So let's check the divisibility test for 3. Okay, so just add all the numbers. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. 8 is not divisible by 3. So 1 3 3 1 is not divisible by 3. If we check for the 5, so here for 5, here we need to have 0, otherwise 5. But here we have 1. So this number is also not divisible by 5. Okay, now check for the 7. 1 3 3 1 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7. 6 3 7 9s are 63 and 1 remainder. Okay, so 1 3 3 1, it is not divisible by 7 either. Now let's check for the 11. Now what is the divisibility test of 11? Here we have number 1 3 3 1. So for 11, what we need to check? This 1 we need to subtract here. So it becomes 1 3 2. Again this 2 subtract from here. 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. So ultimately this number 1 3 3 1 is divisible by 11. Okay, so let's take here 11. So for 13, 11 times 11, remainder 2, it becomes 23. So 11 2s are 22. Now 23 minus 22, 1, it becomes 11. So 11 1s are 11. Okay. So now we have 1 2 1. Now if you know the square, then 1 to 1 is a square of 11. Now here if you know the square of 11, then 11 square is 1 to 1. So we can write 11 11s are 1 to 1. And at last 11 1s are 11. Okay, here 1 3 3 1, it is divisible by 11. So 121 into 11 1331. Now it is a square of 11. So 11 11s are 1 to 1. And finally 11 1s are 11. Okay. Now find the cube root 10648. So in cube root, 3 times 2, 3 times 11. 3 times 2 and 3 times 11. Okay. So here 3 times 2 and 3 times 11. So from one pair we need to take one number. So from this 3 times 2, 1 time 2 here, and from this pair 1 11 here. So 11 into 2, 22. Okay, from first pair 2 and from second 4 pair 111, so 11 into 2, 22. That means cube root of 10648 is 22. Okay. Now next is 27,000. Okay. Now directly even we can find the square root of 27,000. For that, we know the cube root of 27. It is 3, right? Cube root of 27 is 3 because 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 is 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So cube root of 27 is 3, and from 3 times 0 we need to put only one time. So answer is 30. Okay. Cube root of 27 is 3, and from 3 times 0, 1 times 0. So 3 0 30. 30 is the answer of this cube root 27,000. But here we need to use the prime factorization method. So we need to take the prime factors. So here we have 0. So directly we can divide with 5. So 5 5s are 25. 27 minus 25 remainder 2. It becomes 25 4s are. And here 2 times 0 is remaining. So same 0 we need to put here. Again we have unit digit 0. So again we can divide with 5. 5 is a 5. Now here 4 we have. We want 2 digit. So we need to put 1 0. So 4 becomes 40. 5 8s are 40 and 1 0 remains as it is. Again here 5 1s are 5. Now here we have only 4 which is smaller than 5. Okay, that's why we put 0 here. So we can take 2 digits together. So together it becomes 40. 5 8s are 40 and 1 0 remaining. That we put as it is. Again unit digit 0, so we can take 5. Now 5 2s are 10. Here we have 8, so 5 1s are remainder 3, so 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now here we have even number, so we can divide with 2. 2 1s are 2. Here we have only 1, so we need to take 1 0. So together it becomes 16. So 2 8s are 16. If you don't know the division, direct division, then you can use the rough page, and in rough page you can divide this. Okay. Again here we have even number, so 1 time 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. 54. It is also even number, so again we can divide with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder, it becomes 14. 2 7s are 14. Now for 27 we know that 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. So now find the cube root of 27,000. So here in cube root, 3 times 5, 3 times 2 and 3 times 3. Okay, so first pair, here 1 pair and here 1 pair. Okay, so now from first pair we can take 1 5. From second pair we can take 1 time 2. And from third pair we can take 1 time 3. So now 5 2s are 10, 10 into 3, 30. Answer we already know, but we need to find by using prime factorization method because that is asked in the equation. Okay. Now next is question number 5. 15625. 15625. Now here our unit digit is 5. So we can divide this number by 5. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 1 remainder, it becomes 12. Now 5 2s are 10, so 12 minus 10, 2 remainder, it becomes 25. So 5 5s are 25. Again we have unit digit 5, so we can take 5 here. 5 6 are 30, 1 remainder, it becomes 12, 5 2s are 10, 2 remainder, it becomes 25, so 5 5s are 25. Again we have unit digit 5, so we need to take 5 here. So 5 ones are 5. 1 remainder, it becomes 12. 5 twos are 10. 2 remainder, it becomes 25. 5 fives are 25. Again we have unit digit 5. Again we can divide with 5. 5 twos are 10. 2 remainder, it becomes 25. 5 fives are 25. Now for 25. Now for 25, we know that 5 fives are 25 and finally 5 ones are 5. Okay? Now cube root of 15625 is equal to cube root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5. Now make the pair of 3 numbers. So first pair and second pair. Now from the first pair we can take 1 times 5 and from second pair we can take 1 times 5 and 5 fives are 25. That means 15625 is the cube root of 15625 is 25. One more thing students, here this is just rough work, this remainder that we do not show in our answer. Okay, that's our rough work. That means if you solve this question, then write down this remainder with the pencil and after that finally just remove it. Okay, we do not need to show this remainder, but we only need to show our prime factorization. Okay, now question number 6. 13824. 13824. Now here unit digit is even. Okay, 4. So this number is even. So we can divide this number by 2. Okay, so 2. Now 2 6 are 12. 1 remainder. It becomes 18. So 2 9s are 18. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Again here we have even number. So we can divide this number by 2. 2 3s are 6. Now for 9, 2 4s are 8. 1 remainder, it becomes 11. 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10, 1. So remainder 1. It becomes 12. 2 6s are 12. Again at unit place we have even number. So we can divide with 2. So 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 remainder, it becomes 1 4 14. So 2 7s are 14. Now here 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder, it becomes 16. So 2 8s are 16. Again at unit place we have even number. So again we can divide with 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 remainder, it becomes 12. 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Again at unit place we have even number. So again we can divide with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again at unit place we have even number. So divide with 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 1 remainder, it becomes 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay. Again here we have even number, so we can take 2 here. 2 1s are 2. Okay, now here we have 1 only. So we need to put 1 0, so we can take 2 number together. So together it becomes 16. So 2 8s are 16. Again at unit place we have even number. So we can take 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again we can divide with 2 because we have even number. So 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder, it becomes 14. 2 7s are 14. Now for 27, we know that 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so now cube root of 13824 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 times 2 and 3 times 3. Okay, now make the pair of 3 numbers. Now make the pair of 3 numbers. So here first pair, second pair, third pair and fourth pair. Okay. Now from each pair we need to take a number for one time. Okay, for finding out the cube root. So from first pair 1 time 2, from second pair 1 time 2, from third pair 1 time 2 and from fourth pair 1 time 3. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So cube root of 13824 is 24. Okay, so here we need to do the prime factorization. After that we need to make the pair of 3 numbers. So from each pair we need to take only number one time. Okay, and that is our final cube root. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt in these questions, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.